The fuck is this? We paid up this month.
Someone paid more.
What happened?
We got arrested.
No, to us. Burke's right. We traded our dicks in for pussies. Seriously. Movie deals, commercials. Saint's name used to mean something more than body spray and some ass-tasting energy drink.
Our brand's worth a shitload of money.
Is that what it's all about?
It's always about the money, Mr. Gat, which is precisely why our employer wishes to speak with you.
If you'll indulge us.
You have any idea who you fucking with here?
Of course. A remarkable likeness. These visions are Viola and Kiki, and I am Philippe Laurent, chairman of a multinational organization called the Syndicate.
Never heard of it.
Evidently not, or you would not have robbed our bank. Perhaps you wonder why you are still breathing at this point.
Actually, I wonder why my foot's not up your ass at this point.
Like it or not, Mr. Gat, our organization is expanding into Stillwater. I am offering you the chance to leverage your assets against your lives. Ladies?
You may continue to operate the Saint Soltor Media Group as you see fit, in exchange for 66% of your monthly gross revenue.
That is before taxes, of course.
Listen, you French fuck.
Please.
We can't leave Johnny!
Don't worry about Gat, girl. Worry about these assholes.
Attention passengers, this is your new captain speaking. Our updated flight plan has us landing in Stillwater.
Oh, putain de merde! Ouvrez-moi cette porte! Je veux sa tête!
I'd like to remind all passengers to remain seated and enjoy the flight.
See? Johnny's enjoying himself.
It's door open!
Ooh, I can see some of our passengers are getting restless. Here's some relaxing music for your enjoyment. My apologies. Your captain is having troubles finding the clutch.
Let's fly away.
Yo, I'm opening the cargo bay doors. Find some chutes and jump out the back. It should be clear.
I am the best.
All right, motherfuckers.
The door is open.
Get on him!
You're gonna need more help than that, Frenchie.
I am Belgian.
Same thing.
I am going to cut that disrespectful tongue from your mouth.
Oh, yeah? You and how many of your... Oh, that many.
We're about to jump!
Right on. I'll see you in
Johnny?
kill this damn thing! Take him down!
I'm not gonna lie. For a minute, I didn't think you'd make it in time.
Girl, you gotta have a little bit more faith in... Wait, what's that thing?
What is what?
Okay, it's nothing to freak out over, but that plane looks like it's gonna try to ram us.
What do you mean, don't freak out? Do you have a plan?
If I shoot out the window, I can land inside it, cap Philippe, then jump out the back.
You mean we, right?
I'll be back in a minute.
Wait, what?
Shoot out the window? The fuck was I thinking? So that just happened. Ready to die? Shit. Who's next? Let go! These assholes packing up shit in that plane? Gotcha, girl!
You're a fucking asshole.
Hey, I have my moments.
Gentlemen, negotiations were less than successful. Viola and Kiki will spread the word. Steelport belongs to the Syndicate, and the Saints are not welcome. Mr. Kilbane, gather your luchadores and bring me their leader's head. Mr. Miller, hack into the Saints' accounts and leave them nothing.
The body of Mr. Gat will be a message for all who oppose the Syndicate. There is no mercy, only death. Don't mourn your friend. You'll be joining him soon.
Loren's gonna pay for this.
Shawnee, where the fuck are we?
Steelport. It's kind of like Bangkok's abusive father.
Used to live here or something?
Spring break.
What's up with the field boss sign?
You don't want to know.
Yeah, whatever. You know the city well?
Look, I was really high the last time I was here. Just drive. It'll come back to me.
What about getting a gun?
Why don't you just look up friendly fire on your phone?
What, and call them?
It has GPS, right? Check your map.
Call Pierce and let him know what happened.
I texted him. He's bringing the crew.
Whole crew? Any idea how we'll load them out?
Yeah, we raid the guard armory.
That's what I love about you, girl.
You can't be serious.
Goddamn right I'm serious. What's the problem?
Getting shot comes to mind.
Did you not see me fly through a damn plane?
Also, a shitty idea.
Ooh, did our little reality star forget where she came from?
Not cool.
I can't rob an armory. I have an immunity challenge to run.
All right, all right. We'll pick a fight with the military.
That's my girl.
Wow, that still exists?
Used to hang there?
That's where I used to score weed.
Got anyone you could trust around here?
Yeah, I keep up with one of my exes.
So we have a crash space big enough for the crew?
Already offered it to Pierce and the boys.
Well, no, that wasn't an answer.
I know. Here's the cash I have on me.
We close to the armory?
Not far, it's on the GPS.
Like some hellish children's book, the sky has fallen in Steelport. 10 people are dead.
All right, the guns should all be in that warehouse.
Shit, that should be enough. But how we getting it out of here?
Maybe you should have thought about that before attacking an armory.
All right, fine, you're right. But seriously, how we moving it all?
Don't worry, Pierce has that covered.
Someone shoot this way!
I don't think they want us here.
Shooting them probably doesn't help change their mind. Jeez, look at the size of that thing. Bet that's a hell of a way to end a gunfight.
No doubt. Hope Pierce has a room for this thing.
Yeah, right. Wait, you're serious, aren't you?
We're taking fire!
all in a day's work.
Here's the weapons cache, and these look like UAV drone controls over here.
How the fuck you know what the hell those things are?
Okay, is this really the time?
Hey, I was just asking.
I'll enjoy cutting you down.
The fuck were you thinking? Maybe I should have listened to you, girl.
You think? Pierce, where are you?
You know me. I love to make an entrance.
If we're staying, maybe it's time to try those UAV drones.
Seriously, how do you fucking know what that is?
Just shut up and use the damn things.
Why are we getting the hell out of here?
The boss won't leave without the bomb.
You gotta be kidding me!
Someday you'll all thank me.
That wasn't me, I swear! I'm not! Oh god, there's another one!
You think we got enough guns?
Would I ever say yes to that?
So once we're loaded up, we're going after Loren, right?
Damn right, girl.
We gotta shut this thing down!
Hey, Pierce, we ready to go?
Almost packed up.
Faster would be nice.
We're all set. Get in the chopper.
Let's go, Shawnee.
Damn it! These guys are a pain in my ass!
We can't let them blow up the bomb. More here. Send me back.
I'm handling that shit.
Easier on these things. We're moving so fast. Pierce, just keep going. We're clearing them out.
I'm still getting in here! What's taking so long to get those things down?
Even stepped up there.
Don't think these dials are supposed to be spinning like this.
Good shooting, boss. So what's next?
What's next is you go back to Stillwater.
What? No, this is my fight too.
Girl, you don't get messy. Let us take care of business.
Fuck you. I'm doing this for Johnny.
All right, if we're gonna bring in the boys, we're gonna need a new place.